Welcome to your Fulfill Engine Sales Portal. In this video, we're going to give you a walkthrough of a sales portal and help you understand how best you can utilize it to grow your business. If you have not already configured your account, you will need to do so before we can move forward. In the welcome email you received, help articles were provided that give step-by-step instructions as to what's needed to configure your account. For example, one of those would be to connect your Stripe account. Stripe is the platform that Fulfill Engine utilizes in order to allow you to collect payment from the end customer using white label stores as well as Order Now. If you have any questions or need any further assistance with your configuration, please reach out to our team directly and one of our team members would be happy to assist. Now, let's walk through your dashboard. The first thing that you will see is Action Needed. This section is where our software is going to call out any time that an order requires your attention. This could be things such as sourcing issues or invalid addresses. Really, this Action Needed section gives you the opportunity to quickly address an issue and seamlessly push it back into production. Your dashboard is also where you will manage and create accounts for your customers, manage and view the stores that are tied to those accounts, as well as have a high sales portal visibility into all orders, order items, and shipments coming from these accounts. On the right-hand side, you're going to find your related links. This is quick reference points for things like orders that are in the network, what your pricing is to send something to the network, what products the network supports, as well as giving you visibility into things like replacement requests or building pricing sheets. Let's dive into accounts. The Fulfill Engine Sales Portal offers you the opportunity to have a branded selling arm. The idea here is that you can control branding of your sales portal in your configuration by creating your logo here. This opens the door for you to give your customers access to their accounts. And when they are given an invitation, that welcome email has your branded image and name. Once in their account, you control with guardrails what they can and cannot do or see relating to their pricing, what decoration methods you're allowing them to have, as well as what products they can use. This is managed within your pricing sheet and product groupings. Let's go ahead and speak a little bit to pricing sheet. You want to make sure we understand that pricing sheet is your opportunity to protect your profit margin. So when an account is created, a pricing sheet is assigned to the account, and the pricing sheet tells our software what you would like us to charge your account for the cost of production. This is your customer's cost to you. This allows us the opportunity to give that self-service opportunity to your customer, because when they're building products or building quotes or building stores, we are presenting the pricing that you have dictated based off the pricing sheet assigned to the account. Again, always protect your profit margin. In addition, we give you the ability to use product groupings. Product groupings are a way that you can give a filtered view of a catalog to a specific account, allowing them only to use specific things. This is commonly used if you are working with a customer who has access to their account. You intend for them to be self-service, but they may be overwhelmed with the vast amount of options that you have. Instead, you've narrowed the focus for them and given them a smaller scaled recommendation of product that possibly fit within their price point, have good inventory, and that overall match what they're trying to achieve with a store or with an order. In a future video, we will dive back into pricing sheets as well as how you manage account invoicing and disbursement. For now, we urge you to take this opportunity to play with your account. Create an account as acting as if you were your account yourself. See what it's like to build products, test stores, play around with pricing sheets and product groupings, and our team is always happy to step in and help and assist you in any way that you need if there's a specific customer that you want to get up and running as soon as possible. In future videos, we are going to walk through pricing and disbursements, as well as how you can set up and really utilize an account. In the meantime, if there's anything that our team can assist you with, don't hesitate to reach out.